Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix connection error in Roblox mobile. So if you find this kind of error in your Roblox mobile, so how you gonna fix that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether your internet connection is working properly or not, which means if you are using a data connection or Wi-Fi, what you have to do, you have to simply turn this off and turn it on again, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply click on airplane mode, which means you have to simply turn on the airplane mode. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn off the airplane mode again. And if the problem is still there, what can you do next is you have to simply press and hold the app. And if you are using iPhone or Android iOS device, then you can simply go to iPhone storage and you have to simply offload the app. And if you're using Android, you have to simply force stop the app, and the next thing you have to do is you have to simply clear the storage and cache. And after clearing the storage and cache, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time that the problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go to Play Store, and after that you have to simply search for Roblox. And after that you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Roblox mobile app. And after updating, you have to check whether your update has solved the error or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply open any kind of browser, which may be Chrome, and here you can simply search for Roblox help. And after that they will tell you the problem, that what kind of problem is having in your Roblox mobile. And here you can simply open the Roblox sport, and after opening you can simply search for your problem, and they will hopefully help you in a better way. And hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.